What's up, guys? Today we have the 2001 Bentley Arnage. For today we have the hidden features of this car. First thing that we're gonna have on this car is obviously this sunroof. You can see this sunroof cracks open right here. It's super cool because you wouldn't know about this unless you saw it, because normally sunroofs, they slide open. This one is different. It's a fully sealed, fully one. It's not one to look out of, it's just one to crack it open, which makes it a sunroof and not a moonroof. Coming in number 2 on this car is actually is equipped with a navigation unit. You see that this display flips right up while you're driving if you want the navigation, which is a super cool feature, especially going back to 2001, that they even offer this is pretty astonishing. Coming in number 3, you actually have to lift the shifter every time you want to shift gears. Whether you go in park, reverse, you see that you have to lift it up and then drag it and then drop it back down for it to select the gear. I've showed you guys this in a previous video, but the key is actually directional. And what that means is it has to be put in upright, otherwise it won't work, which is really interesting. I've never seen a key that has to be a certain direction, especially when you put it in the locks of the car. Next, we have the windows of this are pretty unique. I think it's pretty cool because you have it in the center, just like the Corvette or some supercars that you have. However, what is very unique about this is it's opposite. You push down to go up and up to go down, and it's vice versa of what you'd normally think. So it's trippy because you're always doing the opposite of what you want, because you're used to rolling up the window, you roll it up, you pull it up, but no, it's actually push it down, which is really interesting. This car, which is unique, this car talks to you in French, which is also a very unique hidden feature that, you know, most people would never find or see just by looking at it. And next, you can see if we actually back up, so you guys can hear right there, we actually have backup sensors in this car, which is super unique, and most cars, especially in 2001, do not have this. And for an old Mobster car like this, that's very unique to have. And yet another hidden feature that we have is, you guys can see that this is the Le Mans series. There's one of 500 ever made, and now I think there's only 130, I think there's 136 models currently that are left-hand drive, the rest are right-hand drive. Coming in next, we have our radio, which you see, you can flip it open right there, and it's an aftermarket radio nonetheless. Aftermarket from like 2001. Is the most hidden feature of this car that most people will never know about. It's actually in this, you open this up, look right here, this is for an old phone. You have the wiring and all that already in here, and then you have your phone, so that way when you're in the back seat, you can plug it right in, you're good to go. Or you're in the back seat and you're driving for someone, you actually have these switches right here. See these switches right here? You can actually flip it and it moves the whole seat and it reclining the whole back seat, which is very unique. I've never, except for like on a really nice Mercedes, you don't see that very often at all. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like today's hidden features of the 2001 Bentley Arnage. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to me, guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one, because we are daily with nothing left to say. I guess it's time to end it.